Good morning and welcome. You're watching the special coverage of the Amrit Snan at Mahakumbh. This is the third Amrit Snan that's underway, and just take a look at the pictures. This is the moment when the akhadas and sadhus were leading the way towards the Sangam to take the holy dip on an auspicious occasion. The arrangements are, the directive that has been issued is that of to ensure foolproof measures in Prayagraj today, and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is at the command center. He's monitoring all he's monitoring all the arrangements. Top officials are also with him, giving him minute by minute updates. And as we get you these pictures from Prayagraj, from the Mahakumbh, it will give you a sense of the scale and the magnitude of the arrangements that are currently in place on the ground. We have Akansha joining us as she gets us the live update. Akansha, good morning to you. You've been covering, you've been getting us live updates straight from 6 in the morning. You've also been, speaking to devotees after the stampede. This is the first Amrit Snan that's taking place. More than 60 lakh devotees have taken the holy dip so far in the first few hours itself. The Chief Minister is constantly monitoring all the updates. Take us what you're seeing around you. Take us through what you're seeing around you, because we're seeing a huge presence of security personnel, a large presence of media contingent. We are also seeing a cops on mounted, on horses who are in fact taking stock of the bandobast. But just show viewers pictures that you are seeing around you.
Well, absolutely. You see, nothing quite compares to the Mahakumbh Mela, world's largest religious gathering. Let me straight away show you the visuals. This is the Nirmohi Akhada passing through and going towards the Sangam Ghat. Starting 4:30 in the morning, the Akhadas had started coming and carrying out the procession, going towards the Sangam Ghat. And right now, what you can see in the visuals, this is the Nirmohi Akhada going to the Sangam Ghat. Let me go across and speak to a few people here. कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम लोग रामकेला से।
कैसे लगा यहाँ पे व्यवस्था वगैरह सब?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। बहुत अच्छा लगा।
स्नान लेने जा रहे हैं?
हाँ, स्नान लेने जा रहे हैं।
आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम गुजरात से दोबारा आए। भव्य इसका आनंद है।
कौन से अखाड़े के साथ आए?
हम वो दादूरा में है ना, वो अखाड़े में।
तो व्यवस्था कैसे लगी? आप काफी किलोमीटर चल के आ रहे हैं।
बहुत अच्छी व्यवस्था है योगी जी और नरेंद्र मोदी जी की, बहुत अच्छा लगा। दोबारा भी आए, अभी तीसरी बार भी आना चाहते हैं हम। ऐसा भव्य लगा।
और लोगों से बात करते हैं, कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
हम जिला सहारनपुर यूपी से।
कैसा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ?
बहुत अच्छा।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। जय श्री राम। काफी लोगों को डर था स्टैम्पीड के बाद यहाँ पे कि क्राउड होगा, थोड़ी धक्का मुक्की होगी। आपको कुछ ऐसा महसूस हुआ? हाँ, ये तो थोड़ा होता ही है।
बहुत अच्छे इंतजाम है, बहुत अच्छे इंतजाम है। पब्लिक थोड़ा परेशान करनी है, प्रशासन ने और सरकार ने बहुत अच्छी व्यवस्थाएं की है।
So you see a lot of...
की बात कहना चाहूंगा मैं, ये है महासम्मेलन, महापर्व, महाकुंभ। जय योगी, जय मोदी, जय
You
श्री
heard
राम।
a lot of devotees coming here praising and lauding the UP government for the arrangements. Now, after the deadly stampede on January 29th, several measures have been put in place to ensure that that the devotees who are coming here are safe and secured. In fact, UP Chief Minister has directed the officials to make sure that this time, this Shahi Snan is completely error-free. Now you can see in the visuals right there, another akhada coming in. There's a lot of celebrations. Since morning we've been seeing a lot of Naga sadhus as well coming in. They were also praising and lauding the UP government for the arrangements that have been made as far as akhadas are concerned. Remember last time when the stampede took place, a lot of akhadas had stopped their processions, but this time they're saying that everything was very easy. They did not face any issue as far as coming to the specific location is concerned. Let me go across and speak to more people here. कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम गुजरात सूरत से।
अच्छा, कौन से अखाड़े के पाठ हैं आप?
ये विष्णु स्वामी वल्लभाचार्य।
अच्छा,
वैष्णव।
अच्छा, अभी स्नान के लिए आप लोग जाएंगे। किस तरह देखते हैं लोगों की डिवोशन को, श्रद्धा को किस तरह देखते हैं? करोड़ों लोग आए हैं यहाँ।
बहुत बढ़िया श्रद्धा है, लोगों की आस्था है।
हाँ।
बहुत अच्छा है। महाराज जी स्नान करने के लिए गए हैं।
हाँ।
और हम लोग ये इसका जो चिन्ह होता है,
अच्छा,
ये आचार्य जी का वही चिन्ह है। इसका पूरा जगत गुरु श्रीमद विष्णु स्वामी वल्लभाचार्य सोमयाज जी सप्तपिता वल्लभाचार्य जी महाराज, सूरत जतेपुरा।
बसंत पंचमी है, आखिरी अमृत स्नान है। पिछले इतने दिनों में 35 करोड़ लोगों को हमने यहाँ आते हुए देखा। आज भी काफी लाखों में लोग यहाँ पे आए। किस तरह देखते लोगों की श्रद्धा?
हाँ, सब संप्रदाय का सब है। हमारा पुष्टि मार्गीय वल्लभाचार्य जी का ये तीसरा वसंत पंचमी का स्नान है, वो भव्य से होता है सब।
आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे, अभी आप इतने किलोमीटर चल के आए हो, कैसे आपको व्यवस्था लगी पिछली बार के अगर आप कंपेयर करें?
व्यवस्था सब बढ़िया है और आयोजन भी बढ़िया है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
अच्छा, क्या बोलेंगे?
ये संप्रदाय के हिसाब से जो योगी महाराज जी ने प्रधानमंत्री जो व्यवस्था बहुत अच्छी की है और इस समय सबको शांति से स्नान हो रहा है। अगले समय तो थोड़ा तकलीफ हुआ था, तो इस समय बहुत अच्छे से स्नान हो रहा है सब।
Well, you see, the top focus is the security arrangements and also the crowd management. As far as the crowd management is concerned, let me show you on my right-hand side. You can see that devotees are waiting since morning to just get a glimpse of the Naga sadhus. This area that I am at, this is been designated just for the akhadas. General public is not allowed in this areas at all. Another akhada and several saints passing by. Let me go across and speak to few of them. क्या कहेंगे?
एक नंबर व्यवस्था है, एक नंबर काम है सरकार का, यूपी गवर्नमेंट का। उसको नमन करते हैं योगी जी को। और आप सब लोगों को प्रयागराज के जितने भी है सब सौगात दे रहे, रिक्शा वाले, ऑटो वाले, चाहे बाइक वाले, सभी को मजा आ रहा है। हम गुजरात से आए हैं, हमने 3 कुंभ किए, 2001 का, 2013 का, 2025 का, मगर ऐसी व्यवस्था न भूतो न भविष्यति। हाँ, भविष्य में हो सकती है, मगर योगी जी से पूरे विश्व को यह सीख लेनी चाहिए कि पूरे 10 करोड़ व्यक्तियों को कैसे कंट्रोल किया जाता है। और यहाँ के प्रत्येक प्रयागवासी को भी नमन है कि जो इस धरा पर रह रहे हैं।
बात करना चाहेंगे, काफी सारी महिलाएं हैं। हाँ। क्या कहेंगे, अभी स्नान लेने जा रहे हैं?
हम चित्तौड़ जिले से आए हैं और हमारे यहाँ पे गुरुजी थे और हमें बहुत वो पीछे से भीड़ आ रही है। हम चित्तौड़ जिले से आए हैं, हमें यहाँ पे आके हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा और यहाँ का वातावरण एकदम हमें लग रहा है कि हम भगवान के पास ही हैं।
भगवान के पास आ गए। माता जी क्या कहेंगी? क्या कहेंगी, कैसा लग रहा है?
बढ़िया लग रहा है।
कौन सा अखाड़े के साथ आई है?
ये तो
अच्छा, निर्मोही अखाड़ा जो आ रहा है। You can see right here another akhada is in fact coming. This is the road that has been designated for akhadas to pass through and go to Sangham Ghat. Now starting 4:30, several akhadas have been coming, starting with Mahanirvani, then Juna Akhada, Atal Akhada, and now you can see in the visuals right there, another akhada, Nirmohi Akhada is going to pass by and then the saints are going to take the holy dip. Now it is believed that only after saints and Naga sadhus take dip, it is auspicious for the general public.
So let's keep our focus, Akansha, on the live pictures. Akansha is getting us live pictures from Prayagraj. She's there at the Mahakumbh, and as you can see, these are the akhadas who are leading the way. On a special day like the Basant Panchami, the akhadas in fact are given priority. They first make their way to the Sangam. They take the holy dip on the day of an Amrit Snan, and after that devotees can come in. Once again, for viewers who are just joining us on this broadcast, take a look at these pictures. This is the petal shower that had taken place this morning. A drone shot of the kind of gathering that has taken place on the day of Amrit Snan on Basant Panchami. Petals were showered on the devotees and these are the visuals that came in. And currently, let's go back to the live pictures that are coming in from Prayagraj. In the live pictures, you can see how akhadas are currently leading the way. Let's also get you voices from devotees who are thronging Prayagraj, and they're coming in from across the world. Let's listen in.
I was here for the second most important bath for 29, and today I saw like a very big difference. I could like go on with the Naga sadhus. That was like really my dream because I love them. I could take a bath. Everything is pretty clean, really organized. I mean, I think you guys, the resident people, and also the organization made a great job today, because this kind of people and this amount of people, it's unmanageable.
My second Mahakumbh, I have been in 2021 in Haridwar. I was blessed to do 4 Sakhi Snans, but this one is very special for me because it's my birthday today, and I always celebrate my birthday at the time I was born. I come from Slovenia, so it's 1:25 in the morning, so this was time here 6:55 in the morning, and I came just to Sangam here at 6:50, just 5 minutes before my birthday. I enter and I celebrated my birthday dipping here. It's something I don't have words to explain. Just very grateful.
Once in your lifetime. This is the most biggest party in the world, and everything is fantastic. Goat bumps, it's the word to stay awake 24 hours. Next 4 years I will come each time.
Okay.
I do my best to come to India.
Okay.
So it's yeah, you must be here to experience.
Okay.
You cannot tell it by pictures or something. This is fantastic.
There's nothing to elaborate. There only to live, to be in the here and now, because that's the only truth. It belongs to, you know, to your heart, you know. Just be happy to live and to be truly in what you do, you know. So I have no expectation. I'm so happy to be here. Here and now is enough for me today, you know.
You have taken a holy dip in Trivandrum?
Oh yes, I did, but I forgot to take Ganga Jal. I will come back to, because I need to bring home to friends and to share to friends, and also some people who left, and it's a very special day to me. Har Har Mahadev.
We are a group from Bulgaria, from Greece, from Mexico, once in a lifetime obviously, and we are so happy and so blessed to be here actually.
How do you see so many people are coming from across the world? 35 crore people have come till now. That is more than the population of most of the countries. How do you see the devotion of people?
Well, it's amazing. It's just the energy of this place. It's on another level. You can just feel it here, being amongst those people. It's not even that crowded today. The previous baths were like huge, and yeah, it was an amazing experience.
Did you take the holy dip?
Yes, I did.
How was it?
It was amazing. It was my third time, and every time feels like a unique time. And it's amazing to see all these people coordinate and be together in the same place and have this smile, even if they're so crowded and in such a rush.
So we are getting you live pictures from the Mahakumbh on the day of Amrit Snan. This is the day, it's the day of Basant Panchami. The Basant Panchami festivities are on. And on your screens are pictures of the akhadas who are currently taking the holy dip. These are live pictures coming in from Prayagraj. But the focus today is on ensuring proper arrangements, because top officials in the state of Uttar Pradesh are working to ensure strict adherence to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's directive of maintaining a zero-error event, and on the day of Amrit Snan, which is today. Now, these directives came into force after the stampede at Kumbh on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya, and that happened on the 29th of January. Since the 13th of January, the Mahakumbh has seen over 34 crore devotees, and like we've been telling you, the latest update, let's go back to Akansha. She's getting us the live pictures, and the third Amrit Snan is currently underway. And also, so far, in the first 4 hours itself, 62.25 lakh devotees have taken the holy dip. Going back to Akansha, as you get us the live pictures and updates of the akhadas currently leading their way towards the Sangam for the holy dip, the focus is also on arrangements. And the first question that you are asking all those devotees who are there today on this auspicious day is that what do they have to say about the arrangements? And for now, the devotees seem to be happy about it. Take us through pictures and also tell us about the current security measures that are in place, the arrangements that are being monitored continuously.
Well, absolutely. You see the chants are getting louder and the devotion is at its peak. You can see the visual, several akhadas passing by, devotees, saints, all of them heading towards the Sangam Ghat to take the holy dip. We've been seeing several Naga sadhus also coming to the Sangam Ghat since morning to take the holy dip. Several prominent saints also in this area to take the holy dip. आपसे बात करना चाहूंगी, कितना अहम है आज का दिन? कितना अहम है आज का दिन? आप अभी जाएंगे अमृत स्नान के लिए, क्या कहेंगे?
बहुत अच्छा दिन है.
बहुत अच्छा दिन है आज का. So a lot of devotees have gathered here, in fact, since morning. But as you asked about the security arrangement, security and the crowd management is the top focus of the management here, and all the measures have been taken to make sure that people remain safe and secure. Chief Minister has also said and directed the officials to make sure that this Snan, that is the Basant Panchami Amrit Snan, remains completely error-free. Several arrangements have been put in place, several barricades have been made, several new roads have been made, several roads have been made one way as well. CCTV cameras, NDRF, that there is no scope for error at all. And hence in the visuals again, I would like to show you a lot of devotees passing through this area and going towards the Sangam Ghat. Right on my right hand side, you can see a lot of devotees there standing there since morning to just get a glimpse of the saints who are coming and taking this route to go to the Sangam Ghat. So a lot of devotees coming here since morning till now. As per the information department, as many as 60 lakh devotees have already taken the holy dip. Till now, 35 crore devotees have taken holy dip since the start of the Shahi Snan and since the start of this Mahakumbh Mela.
And as akhadas lead the way, the focus is on, like Akansha has been telling us, on the arrangements. As of now, more than 3,000 CCTV cameras are being used by the administration to monitor both the city and the Mela area, and the command center, the Kumbh Command Center, is keeping a hawk eye on all the arrangements that are currently in place in Prayagraj. With that, we slip into a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news and updates. Stay with Times Now for the live and special coverage of the month.